Hi, this is Aman from Squeeze Education. Being a founder, let me throw some light with respect to the course of Certified Internal Auditor course, wherein I'll be discussing in detail the intricacies of the said course. If we specifically talk about Certified Internal Auditor course, it is a recognized professional course which has validity all across the globe, and it is awarded by IIA, Institute of Internal Auditors. The governing body is there in United States of America there too. But you must be astonishing and having a perplexed state of mind why this profession is globally recognized, because you will get the exposure in the arena of as such risk management, the compliances review, internal controls, fraud detection and prevention, and the list goes on. If we talk about any organization, irrespective of the nature of its operations, there is a need as such for a certified internal auditor or a group of certified internal auditors who can take care of this very particular aspect so that the manipulation and the fraud can be avoided in an entity there too. But now let's talk about its salary and the scope, its future as well. If we talk about USA Certified Internal Auditor course, this course, if we talk about the salary package specifically in USA, so at least with the minimum package, you can expect anywhere 65,000 US dollar. But our viewers from India must be having this question in their minds: what's the package in India? So as a fresher, you can anywhere expect in between 50,000 to 70,000 per month, even as a fresher, which may go up to 1 lakh per month with a taste of years in the industry in the field of internal auditor with 2 to 3 years experience. And with the passage of time, you can see yourself in the profile of Director of Internal Audit Operations, Vice President, and in the beginning, even as a Chief Audit Executive. But specifically, if you have any other additional concerns with respect to our mentorship program, wherein we provide the live classes as well as the recorded backup of every live class with customized Zoom sessions, and at the same time basic terminology and the solving of MCQ in the class itself. So these are the kind of privileges which are available with us in our mentorship program for Certified Internal Auditor course, wherein you can take the privilege with respect to our premium mentorship, wherein the access will be with till you pass facility. If you have any other additional concerns, feel free to contact our team and one of our enrollment advisor will approach you ASAP. Thank you.